Go/no-go decision framework. Key criteria for evaluating opportunities. Now, you've found some opportunities. Great! But here's where the real strategy begins. Do you bid on every RFP? Absolutely not. That's a recipe for wasting time and resources. The go-no-go framework is your tool for making smart choices about which bids to pursue. Importance of a formal go-no-go process. Without a framework, decisions can become emotional. This project looks cool, or we need the revenue desperately. But that's not how to win consistently. We need objectivity. A good framework brings rigor, helps us avoid chasing bad deals, and keeps us focused on what we're good at. First up, strategic fit. Does this opportunity align with your core business? Is it in a market you want to be in? Does it help you achieve your long-term vision? If it doesn't fit your overall strategy, it's probably a no-go, even if it looks tempting. Key criteria, resource availability. Next, be honest with yourself. Do you actually have what it takes to do this? Do you have the right people, the money, the technology, and the time? Bidding takes effort, and delivering takes even more. Overstretching yourself is a surefire way to fail. Key criteria, probability of win, PWin. Okay, you could do it, but can you win? Who are your competitors? What's your relationship with the client? How well do you understand their needs? Is your pricing competitive? Do you have a track record that gives you an edge? Be realistic about your chances. Key criteria, profitability. Ultimately, you're in business to make money. Will this bid be profitable? What's the contract value? What will it cost you to deliver? Are the payment terms good? Could this lead to more business down the line? Don't chase revenue at any cost. Chase profitable revenue. Implementing the go-no-go framework. Turning this framework into action means a few things. Define your specific criteria and how much weight each has. Create a form or tool to evaluate each opportunity. Involve the right people in the decision. Have a meeting to discuss it. Document why you decided to go or no-go. And review and improve your framework over time. Key takeaways. The go-no-go framework is your strategic gatekeeper. Use it wisely and you'll significantly improve your bidding success.